Turkeys. It's our most desirable meat. On the fourth Thursday of November, we stuff them with stuffing. We dress them with delicious gravy. But let's learn some facts about our favorite bird that centers our Thanksgiving table. Turkeys forage around by walking on the ground in the morning or evening. They look for exposed food items. Sometimes they climb in shrubs or trees. The main goal is to eat berries. They lay usually 10 to 15, sometimes 14 to 18 eggs, rarely more. It has white to pale buff with dotted reddish-brown color. Incubation takes about a month or so. The females brood young at night for several weeks. The young turkeys can feed themselves. Also, they can make short flights at the age of 1 to 2 weeks. The turkey's diet varies. It carries acorns, leaves, seeds, grains, berries, buds, grass blades, roots, bulbs, spiders, and snails. Sometimes they will eat frogs, lizards, snakes, salamanders, and crabs. In the spring, male turkeys shout out their gobbling call to attract their mate. Males puff out their feathers, raise and spread the tail, swell up the face, and it droops its wings. Nests are located under a tree or shrub.